Hi guys, so today I want to talk about something really serious. It's about animal abuse. Okay, firstly, abusing animal will not like do you any good, and nobody should abuse anyone, any human or any human or any animal. Okay? Because I will be repeating this line a few times in this video because it's very important. Okay, my teacher said, no, not my teacher. My teacher did say that, but I think it makes very much sense and I should share with you guys. Every single organism and living thing and even if it's non-living thing or living thing should have the rights to be respected. Everybody's all living things. You're a human being, I'm a human being, you have a soul, I have a life. Everybody should be respected the same way as how much you want to be respected. So, what I'm going to talk about is very disturbing. So, if you're an animal lover, you could choose to stop or to continue watching. Because I seriously think this is a very serious problem. I don't care if you agree or not. If you agree, that shows what kind of person you are. If you disagree, that shows what kind of person you are. So, what am I gonna talk about is the disturbing cruel act of humans, and they use dogs and kittens and cats and puppies as baits for sharks. Wait, here is a lot of problems, but I'm just gonna say the two main two reasons. The first one is, why are you catching sharks? Can't you just leave them alone? Did they offend you or something? Okay, I'm not scolding anyone, but if you are part of this act, go to hell. Okay? But if you're not and you think that this should stop, okay, so why are you catching sharks? Did they kill your family or something? Why are they catching sharks? And number two, why are they using like live animals? If they use like meat, dead meat, so-called dead, because I want to emphasize that they are not alive anymore. It's like, beef, pork, but I also don't encourage slaughtering. If they use like meat, dead dead meat, I would be like, oh, okay. I will still be kind of mad. Why are they catching sharks? But seriously, why are they using live alive live alive animals? I think, oh god, as I said, every single thing, living thing, non-living thing, has the rights to be respected. Respected in this in this way is to be treated fairly. Like, you're treated nice, you have a shelter over your head, you have food, you have like water. Why can't the cats and the dogs be treated the same? Like, is it because they're animals and we're humans? Let me tell you what, last time they were the one who was ruling the world. In the future, they might take over us. Okay? I'm not saying anything, maybe robots might take over the world, but everything could happen. Everything could happen. So, what I'm saying is, be a good person, be a good soul, and human beings and animals fairly and treat them nicely and not abuse them. Abusing animals is already a very cruel act. Okay? Killing them, you are going to hell. I mean, not everyone lah, but those people. If you are doing that, you are going to go to hell. And here's the most disturbing part. After something eat them, like a melon or something, or shark eat the bait. I don't want to say what is it. The bait. You know what they do? I'm gonna emphasize, highlight. They high five and make jokes. Okay, let me repeat that. They high five and make jokes. Make jokes and high five. They're just inhumane. What happened to humanity? Okay, I'm an animal lover. I love cats. I'm a cat person, and I also love dogs. I love penguins and whatsoever animals, and yeah. Why are they doing this? So if you want to watch that video, it's disturbing. It's very disturbing because you know that cruel act. If you want to see how terrible and cruel they are, you know, you can go to my description box below and watch it. And now it's like after you watch it, you will feel like your gastric has like something weird that you want to explode. Like boom, literally. It's very hardening, very cruel, and very inhumane act. As again, every single person, human being, animal, living thing, non-living thing, has the right to be respected. Think about that. And if you want to put a stop to this, you can go to the website that I'm gonna put inside my description box. And I hope that you can do a part by maybe commenting, liking, or subscribing, or supporting, and going to the website and support the the stop of the act, the stupid idiot act. And stupid idiot is already very nice to them. I can scold vulgarities out right now, but I'm not going to. So let's put a stop to this act and treat every single human being, animal, living thing, non-living thing fairly, and make this world a better place for you and me and everybody. Duh. So like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and check out the description box, and see you next time.